So you're looking to make $2,000 or more a month on Facebook. Now, the method that I'm going to be teaching you, you don't need to be a consulting agency. You don't need to have your own business. You don't need to build all this crazy stuff. You don't need to sell all the graphic design and all these other things that you think you need to do on Facebook. And you also don't need to be some type of spammer and getting in everybody's inbox and trying to, trick people into buying Bitcoin and forex and stuff. That stuff is played out. It's terrible. It's annoying, and it'll just destroy you as a human being because nobody's going to like you. There is a right and proper way to make good money on Facebook, but you have got to stop listening to all these other gurus online that tell you to just be annoying. You don't need paid ads. You don't need some overblown automation software. You don't need to trick people. You don't need any of that stuff. I'm going to show you a method of how to make legitimate good money on Facebook every single month in this video right here. I'm the infamous Joel, and your boss hates me because I show you how to live a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And if you're infamous too, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Let's go. Now, the method that I'm going to be teaching in this video does have to do with affiliate marketing. But hold on a second. Let me ask you a question. Have you listened to any of these other gurus and stuff on YouTube that tell you all about affiliate marketing? You follow all their little techniques and you get nowhere. Leave a comment in the comment section below and tell me how that stuff worked out for you. I want to go over some of the amateur rookie mistakes that I see people making literally every single day on Facebook, and I want to tell you, don't do that. Okay, don't do that weird stuff. Okay, it doesn't work, and it makes you look like a very bad, weird person, okay? If you're on Facebook and you're randomly sending out friend requests, don't do that. If you're listening to these gurus and you're joining people's Facebook groups and you're spamming posts about how great this new Bitcoin opportunity is and all these other things, don't do that. If you're tricking people into getting into a messenger chat with you and then the first thing you do is start talking about this great opportunity to make $100 a day, don't do that. Now, instead, what I want you to do is I want you to do affiliate marketing, which is a method of promoting other people's proven products in order to make a commission off the sale. Now, people get all crazy and they start focusing on the sale. They start focusing on the money so badly that they start doing some of these scammy things on Facebook, trying their best to work extra hard to spam everybody's posts and groups and adding friends and trying to do the whole cast a wide net thing, and somebody eventually might buy it, right? I've even seen gurus tell you to do this. I've even seen them all over YouTube tell you to go ahead and just friend request 1 million people and start spreading their links all over the place, because a lot of these gurus have their own course, right? And they want you to spam the links of these courses all over the place and lie. Half the time, you have not even taken the course, but they want you to spam the links of all their courses and all their products and to give you a commission and just lie and say the course is great. This is a horrible, horrible way to have your own affiliate marketing income, because it does two things. One, it doesn't work. I know I held up the number 2, but one, it doesn't work. And number 2, in affiliate marketing, you have a brand and it's you. Okay, you're an affiliate, you are a marketer, and your brand is you. So if you're going around and spamming everybody's posts and comments and all kinds of group spams, and your own personal profile looks like just a big spam board, and everything is just about adding friends out of nowhere. I'm sick and tired of people adding me as a friend, and I've never spoken to them in my entire life. I have no idea how they came across me. And I'm like, excuse me, have we spoken before? And they go, nope, absolutely not. But can I interest you in this thing that makes you $500 a day? Leave me alone. Don't do that. All right. And then I try to educate them and tell them how to do it the right way. But they say, well, I'll do it my way and you do it your way. My way makes money. Yours does not. Okay. You need to be serving people. You need to be worried about how you can better someone's life. Does the product that you have even help the person? 9 times out of 10, it doesn't. So why are you spamming all this stuff that they don't want? Okay. Don't do that. all you're going to end up doing is being blacklisted off everybody's groups. Everyone's going to know who you are, and they're going to raise their ears, and they're going to go, oh God, here comes the spammer again. And that's it. You're not going to move the needle. You're not going to be a great affiliate by doing that. Okay. I'm going to teach you the better way to do it in this video right here. Pay close attention. So when you're in other people's groups, and I do recommend joining groups, okay, that's fine. But when you're in people's groups, your job inside that group is not to go ahead and spam a bunch of offers and tell everybody what they need to buy. Instead, when people have questions, you have very detailed and very value-giving answers. You actually help people, okay? I know that's like a foreign idea and all the gurus are telling you, no, make money. Listen, actually help people. It's as simple as that. Someone has a problem, you come up with a solution. That's really what an entrepreneur does. That's real life. If you do want to post inside people's groups, give a valuable post. Tell a little bit about yourself, your story. Tell a little bit about your everyday struggle in your business and what you're doing online and where you come from. Talk about your family, your past, your present, your future. It doesn't matter what it is. Even give helpful motivational advice. Even motivate other people and tell everybody some of the stuff that blocked you from getting started or getting going and how you're doing much better now. Some things that help you with some problems that you're having in your affiliate marketing and things like that. These are much more valuable and better posts that you're actually providing some type of help to people and some type of service to people instead of telling them to buy. People are repelled from salesmen. People can smell a salesman from a mile away. So when you're buy, no one wants to do a friend request. No one wants to talk to you and chat. People want to run and block you and get away from you. Okay, no one in the history of Facebook has ever woken up in the morning and told their spouse or their partner and said, you know what, I'm going to go on Facebook because I want to buy a bunch of stuff today. You know, I hope someone spams my inbox so that I can buy a bunch of stuff. I can't wait. You know, no one has ever said that, okay? No one is looking for that. So stop doing that. Instead, use social media for what it's meant for. Social media. It's just being social, just being out there, telling your story, sharing stories, helping people with their problems. That's it. Eventually, you will gain notoriety as someone who's really helpful and a valuable member of the community. Okay? Then people will listen to you more. So the beauty about affiliate marketing is that it's really referral marketing. You're only making money by making referrals. So when you really think about it, don't you trust somebody's opinion more when they actually give you value, when they actually help you out, when they actually seem genuine and trustworthy? You would value their opinion more than somebody who's just buy this and buy that. You don't care about their opinion because they're obviously just looking at you as a paycheck. So when you do get people in chat, one thing that you gotta stop doing is going straight for the kill and going straight for a sale. Actually have a conversation with the person. Actually get to know them. Is the product that you're promoting even a good fit for that person? You're gonna find out that 9 times out of 10 it's not. So your marketing is really more about disqualifying than it is about qualifying. Okay? And if it's not a good fit for that person, that's fine. Maybe the person is still really awesome and you've built up a friendship. That's fine too. It doesn't have to always be about a sale. This is Facebook. Maybe you have your own Facebook group and this person's very knowledgeable about the subject that you're talking about in your groups, and you can add them to the Facebook group and they can be a really valuable part of your community. It doesn't always have to be about making money off somebody. Maybe this person even has some valuable methods or strategies that you can learn from them. But when you're in chat and you start asking people about some of the problems they've been having, some of the things they're struggling with, if you can think about a product or service that would help them get over that hurdle, then you can tell them about it. But don't do it right away when you have no idea if this thing's really going to help them and you only care about the money. Be actually a person of value and actually help people. That's how you make good money with affiliate marketing, especially on Facebook and social media. Trust me, it is possible to make $2,000 or more online, especially Facebook, if you follow this way of thinking, this method, okay? That you're building up long-term relationships. You're not just going out and trying to get everybody to buy a bunch of stuff. People will respect you more for that. People will look at you as somebody who's actually trying to help, and they will actually listen to and trust your opinion. Because remember, this is just referral marketing. Hey, what do you refer as the best such and such and such? Oh, I think this is the best such and such. And you make a commission, and you're being honest, and you're being trustworthy and reasonable, and not just some spammer who's out there just trying to get a bunch of sales. All right. You actually treat people like actual people. If you really think about it, if you want to make any money in this world and online and anything, you have to stop looking at people as numbers. That money has to come out of a human being's pocket. So you have to treat people like human beings. It's as simple as that. And as far as these gurus telling you to do this scammy stuff like lie and spam and stuff, you have to understand, these are their products. They don't care what you look like. They're just using the labor that you put in to spam all their stuff all over the place so that they can get free advertising, okay? That's all they're trying to do. They're trying to get you to spam all their offers so they can get free advertising, knowing damn well that 9 times out of 10, people are not going to buy this stuff, okay? You're going to look like a bad guy, and people are not going to buy this stuff, but at least the guru gets seen more often. At least it gives them notoriety. They don't care what it does for you. So if you want to learn more about how to do affiliate marketing the right way and how to use this Facebook method the right way, there is a lot more detail in the description below where I have a free masterclass on affiliate marketing. Everyone has enjoyed it, everybody that I sent it to. And also, you can reach out to me on Facebook and join my private Facebook group down below. It's called Affiliate Marketing Domination, where we talk about the real and right way to do affiliate marketing and be very successful with it. I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.